Today I'm going to be reviewing VoIP hand cart. This is what it looks like. This is a third one that I've reviewed. I've reviewed the black one. Here's the orange one. It's really nice. Everything just that you need right here in place. Built-in handle here. So if you want to use that, this just folds out like that. And then this piece right here pushes down to lock it in, just like that. So now you can do it. And of course it extends, goes pretty far up. Has 2 levels of extending, so it does that. And when you're done with it, you just lift up this handle here. And then goes up just enough so it will fit. And then once it fits in, you pull it down, and then it locks into place, just like that. It also has another nice feature. If you want to extend the front, you can do that. So this extends further. So if you want to do that, or you can put it back into place just like that. It also has these nice little rubber feet on it just to prevent things from slipping on there if you have it on there. They thought of everything. It also comes with bungee cords. I really like that. I mean, such a simple thing to do. You need them when you're moving, so why not give them with the hand cart? Now, it doesn't have a place to put them. They make another one that does. It's an updated version. They're both very nice, both very nice. This has the 4 caster wheels that spin right here, and then it has the front stable ones. They don't move at all. Just really good. This sells a lot. The black one sold over 7,000 last month in October. These also sell a lot, 500 of these, but they have 3 different colors, orange, black, and blue. So you can check, which one you want. Maybe one's cheaper, you can go from there. But I mean, look at this footprint. It's not very big. Holds 500 to 600 pounds. I mean, I'm just really blown away with how nice this is. So if you're looking for a hand cart, these aren't expensive. The fact that they store away like this and they can extend, I mean, that's a game changer to me. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.